May 13, 2025, DJI officially launched its newest high-end drone, the incredible Mavic 4 Pro. This latest addition to the Mavic lineup comes with a completely redesigned body and game-changing features that are set to revolutionize the drone world. Very soon, I'll be posting a full video here on the channel, diving deep into the technical details and revealing everything you need to know. But for now, let's watch the official launch video together. Pay close attention, because there's a lot of exciting new stuff coming your way. That was the official presentation video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting a full video soon with all the technical specs. Thanks for watching.